Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Positive morning and a positive day to all of you. Maraming salamat sa mga taong tumututok sa YouTube channel ko na Vision Chinky or Chinkitan. And one of the most probably visited YouTube video that I did was hanggang kailan kaya yung phenomenon ng Aldab, no? Hanggang kailan talaga siya tatagal. And I receive a lot of comments. As a matter of fact, I think over mag-400 comments na nandun sa thread. And I would like to really share with you, aside from my own personal observation kung bakit ang Aldab ay love na love ng tao at hit na hit ng tao, allow me to share with you yung mga observation ng iba. Si Dada Uni, sinabi niya, I personally love the Kalye series so much. Why? Pakinggan niyo to. Kasi may sakit akong depression. Ang buhay ko ay puro negative vibes na napakabitter ko pagdating sa love. Since nung nanood ako ng Kalye Serye, na-inspire ako sa story ni Yaya Dap, Alden at ni Lola. Nang dahil sa kanila, nagkaroon ulit ako ng lasting na happiness sa puso at isip ko, for the first time, naging type ako ng love team at proud fan ako, si Dada Uni. So, makikita mo based on that observation na you cannot really hindi mo talaga matatawaran na yung ligaya ba na binibigay sa isang taong self-confess na depressed. Alam niyo bang mahirap ma-depress at mahirap magpatawa at ika nga magtumulong sa tao na maka-move on pag depressed siya. But the Kalye Sere or the Aldab phenomenon was able to help. Okay, another person is Olsi Solano. Sinabi niya, thanks Chinky, right on. I was an Aldab follower, I'm still a fan, and I was also a follower of your meaningful videos and teaching. Maraming salamat. I firmly hope that Aldab Tandem will last for real and for real. Oo. You're correct and the example that they set quite an inspiration to many, and they revive our belief and hope in forever and truly. Everything comes to those who wait. Like in the aiming for success, it is counted the sweetest when we graciously patient watch it unfold while we relentlessly work for it. I'm always continuously inspired by positive people around me, and I pay it forward by being an inspiration as well, both in words and in actually living it, though through my actions, staying positive and hopeful and rooting for everyone's success as well. Kay Olsi Solano. Galing. I'm also inspired with your writing. No? As you can see, karamihan ng mga sumusulat din sa hindi siya what do you call this? Some people say, no offense men. Some people say, people who watch Aldab are only, yung mga simple-minded people na, yun nga, walang magawa sa buhay. I beg to disagree. Ang daming sumusulat sa akin dito na talagang, medyo nakaka-nosebleed ang English nila. Okay, so another one, Paradise Valley, sinabi niya, like for example, Aldab is an ultimate blessing to all the Filipinos, to all the world. Aldab put a seed of real love in the heart of every Filipino. When this seed grows, it will be a revolution of love in our country. When real love is in every heart of Filipinos, ang mga negative ay matatanggal, it would transform to what? Positive. So, thank you very much. The Aldab Nation is the most united and organized fans club, and the most of them are educated and working abroad. They can make a difference for a better Philippines. God bless you all. Truly indeed, Paradise Valley, I do agree with you. Kasi, iba talaga na sana gamitin tong Kalyeng Seri at saka itong phenomena na ito for a good cause, which they are doing, but they can do more. So, I know na, yun nga, maraming tao nagkakaisa because of this. Another one from Shaz Moreno, this one of my favorite. I very much agree with you, Mr. Tan. You are on so spot on. There's always something good to take away from the Kalye Seri. For one, I get a good laugh, a really good laugh. Last time I remember laughing so hard watching TV series like Moonlighting or Fraser. The improv acting of the three grandmas are just so hilarious and comedic. They tickle my funny bones. That alone is priceless. That's the first. Second, the life lessons, okay, which I learned, okay, yung life lessons na natutunan ko from Lola ni Dora. The plot of Kalye Seri may have had some loopholes, but there's always a redemption factor from the way Wally Bayola delivers ni Dora's pangaral, okay, messages. Sinabi niya, And of course, the giddiness of the Aldab love team, there's always something innocent and spontaneous about their interaction, main in Ash bashly funny. At first, I found her facial expression a bit arresting, but nothing beats her natural flair for making herself look silly and lovable at the same time. This is a very powerful thing, being oneself without caring on how other people think of you, and probably like Alden, the audience has slowly warmed up to her and now appreciate her spontaneity. And again, there's always a good laugh to take away each time. Wow. What can you say? Again, these are really intelligent writing. Kaya nga, for people who are saying that Kakaliseri is for the mababaw people, I beg to disagree. These are really educated people and people who are really knowledgeable about what they're doing. So, what's really phenomenon about the Aldab phenomenon is it cuts through social classes. Come on. 'Di ba? Cuts to A, B, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Akala natin D and E lang nakaka-relate, pero A, B, C tinatamaan din. Hanap pa tayo ng isa na mas maganda. Ito, cute to. Ma'am Annabel Paes. I am in my early 60s and some of my friends say I am already old for this kind of thing. What? Excuse me please, sabi niya. As long as a Kaliseri makes me laugh, brings out a smile in my face, and makes me forget the hustle and bustle of life, it does not matter what my friends say. This segment of Eat Bulaga is not only for the young but also for the young ones or once young. Kalise reminds me that there is a forever between two people in love, and it pays to be patient to attain this. I'm hoping that me and my husband will always have a forever. We have been married for over 36 years. Whoa! Woo! Yan yung sinasabi natin na, grabe, 'di ba? Even yung mga matagal ng kinasal ay napapakilig nito. So I hope na maging positive lang tayo, 'di ba? Wag na tayo magnega. Kung ayaw nyo, wag nyo panoorin. Di naman tayo, we're not forced to watch the Kalye serie, but if you find it amusing, it can really help you and make your day. At the same time, you look forward on what to happen and talk about what's happening in the Kalye serie of Alden and at the same time Yaya Dab. Go ahead. If it makes you happy, it makes you fulfilled, go ahead. So let me encourage you, if you have other things that you want to say and how the Aldab phenomenon has helped you in one way or the inspire you in one way or another, please do write in this in comments. No, pakisulat lang sa comments. And number two, if you like this blog which I just did, this is for the Aldab Nation, for the Aldab fanatics, for the Aldab abroad, Aldab Timbay. This is for you. This is your request, so I'm doing this just for you. Thank you very much for really following me, and I'm really also so happy what this couple are doing, what this TV show is doing. It brings so much happiness to many people. So I really thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you like this, please do share this things that you have just learned to other people, and it can really probably enlighten them what Aldab is all about. This Shinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem always. Chink positive.